Welcome to a world where creativity meets craftsmanship. In today's video, we are diving into the mesmerizing realm of Epoxy resin table design, where functional art takes center stage. Get ready to witness the magic of epoxy as we explore a unique and stunning table design that will elevate the aesthetics of any place. Our journey begins with the raw materials, high quality wood, pigmented epoxy resin, and a touch of imagination. Watch as skilled artisans carefully select and prepare each element, setting the stage for a one of a kind masterpiece. What sets epoxy tables apart is the limitless design possibilities from ocean waves to galaxy rails. The epoxy resin allows artists to capture breathtaking scenes within the table surface. Discover the inspiration behind our unique design and how it transforms a simple table into a work of art. Step into the workshop and witness the meticulous process of crafting our epoxy table. See how the wood is shaped, the epoxy is mixed and poured, and the magical transformation takes place. The artisan's hands work with precision and care, turning ordinary materials into extraordinarily functional art. Explore various techniques used to manipulate epoxy resin, from layering and swirling to incorporating stunning metallic pigments. Every detail is carefully considered to achieve the desired effect. Learn about the curing process and how it contributes to the durability and longevity of the final project. Our epoxy table isn't just a surface, it's a conversation starter. Highlight the unique features that make this design stand out. Whether it's a hidden glow in the dark element, a personalized touch, or a combination of textures that add depth and character. The big reveal witness the culmination of creativity and craftsmanship as the finished epoxy table merges. So, hope so you will find this video helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more updates.